weekend al fresco dining was it tonight, and it didn't seem like it was going to be today, and it certainly wasn't over the weekend, at least for some of us along the lakeshore here. Lots of unstable air out there, huh?
It was midge-free out there, I'll tell you.
That's true.
Are they around? Are they starting?
They'll be coming in.
Oh,
Remember,
okay.
April was very cool, so
Right.
the lake is a little chilly, so things are delayed a little bit.
Right.
Don't worry, the midges are coming. They're coming. You know, I couldn't help but notice Twitter kind of blew up this morning as this line of thunderstorms came through. This is earlier today. Notice, it's earlier today. Please, I know everybody's kind of sleepy. But it was this big batch of thunderstorms that rolled through, and if we stop the clock at about 10:10 or so, you can see this little line right here, and that little line is significant. That is the outflow boundary, the cold air coming out of the thunderstorms. And what we started to see, really cool looking clouds. This is called a shelf cloud. These are formed out ahead of thunderstorms. Izzy 1957, Sparslow 59, seeing it there. M. Geschwilm 79, seeing it there. And it was just this elongated cloud. This is a really good one that you can see coming across the horizon here. And a lot of people, this is all off of my Twitter feed. Everybody started doing this because this is a very impressive cloud. Shelf clouds and Twitter, they go together like peanut butter and jelly. It's just all good. Everybody likes to get in on the action. This is one of the better ones. This is down in Akron. You can see that cloud as it just kind of moves in. Kind of spooky, right? Well, the shelf cloud is a leading edge of a thunderstorm, and as it passes through, you'll have a wind shift, the temperatures will drop, and it will look scary. But usually, most times, they are not severe. The thunderstorm behind it could be severe. And they're formed as cold air comes out of the thunderstorm. That cold air comes down and flows along the ground. As it's flowing out, it runs into the warm, humid air. Remember, we had those dense fog advisories this morning. Lots of humidity. Curly hair, lots of humidity. That all is lifted up, and you'll have a cloud that forms, and it becomes a perpetual motion. A shelf cloud is still attached to the thunderstorm, so you'll see the winds and the mid-levels of the thunderstorm kind of shape things up a little bit. That's where you get the different striations. And eventually it's possible that that shelf cloud will detach, keep on moving, and then it becomes a roll cloud. There you go. That's the shelf cloud. And behind it, very turbulent air. That's called asperatus behind it. Also, I read somewhere it's called the whale's mouth. I've never heard that one before, so you be the judge. Storm chances in the morning, still muggy, temps in the 60s. We could see some of those shelf clouds tomorrow early in the day, but clouds and sun peaks will be the rule for the evening. We have things a-poppin'. Look here, eastern Stark County, out of nowhere. This little baby just popped up, and look what's going on to the west of us. All kinds of little cells popping up. These are severe thunderstorms. They have been packing some serious 2+ inch hail reported out of some of these, specifically this one that went right around Auburn. But you can see there are more scattered storms that are coming through. The front passes through tomorrow morning, and that will then bring us some cooler air. So just real quick, we'll peek at the morning commute. You can see it looks like we're going to have dry weather, but then a line of storms comes through. Then as we go through the afternoon, the temperatures drop. Universal Windows Direct 7-day forecast, rain and storms, clouds and sun Wednesday, Thursday, and then more rainy weather heads back our way to start the weekend. We'll be right back.